Alright, what is up guys? So this weekend we're going to do a lot on the FC, got some new parts coming in, and LRB just came through with their door panel setup for the FC, which I'm super pumped to get into, see what they look like, get them installed. I love doing little install videos, so let's get this opened up. So here are door panels. Shout out to the fam at LRB. But super ready to get these things installed tomorrow. As with all the other wonderful LRB stuff that we have on the car, they send hardware. Instructions. Alright, what is up guys? Joe, you want to say hi?
What's up everyone?
So today we've got a lot going on. The RX-7's getting worked on. And the Disgusting is getting worked on. So for the FC, we've got some new full aluminum door panels from our wonderful friends Landon and Rebecca at LRB Speed. I need to spray paint these Brinkle black first before they actually go in the car. Joe's car is getting some new O2s.
Full ignition.
Yep.
New distributor, new plugs. It already has new wires. I'm trying to remember what else. That's about it.
Also, in other news, we were hanging out with David last weekend, and it was freezing in his garage, so he went and bought a heater, and then I just went and bought a better heater for less money than he did. So. Sucks, David, I'm sorry, but check out this. It's like our own little mini fireplace.
Puts out a lot of heat for what it is, too.
It's pretty awesome. So Walmart came in clutch. But we're gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna close this door, so hopefully the garage will get all warm, and I'm gonna go out and paint those things. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun day. Lots gonna happen, and then we're gonna go to the movies later, so that'll be good too. So I am by no means a very good painter, so I'm actually gonna follow the instructions on this and see if it comes out good. Normally Alfie or Joe paints all the stuff that I do. Well, I'm gonna try it this time since Joe's under the car and Alfie's at home, so hopefully it goes well, but let's do it. So since I'm following the instructions, the can says basically do 3 heavy coats. The first one being vertical, the second one being horizontal, and the third one basically being diagonal. Basically I want you to do a crosshatch pattern. So they say 5 minutes needs to go by before doing another coat. So we're gonna set the timer to 5 minutes, then come back out here. We just did vertical, so then we're gonna do horizontal next. So let me find the clock. Alright, now we wait. Alright, 5 minutes is up, which means it's time for the second coat, and we're going to do this one horizontally. They want this stuff really thick, so hopefully it works. This was our first coat. It was relatively thick, some tiger stripes, but it should work out at the end of the day. So hopefully this goes well. The horizontal coat's done, and they're starting to look a lot better. They're definitely way more covered. And then we have one coat left, and then they have to dry, which they'll probably be drying for a while since it's cold. But yeah, so set the timer for another 5 minutes, and then come out, we'll do the diagonal coat, and then we'll be good to go on those. They just gotta dry. Let's warm it up in here. The fireplace is doing a killer job.
Focus. Yes, hey everyone, Joe here. So, the reason we're extending them is because the car has long tube headers on it, and with the long tube headers and an aftermarket X pipe, it kind of pushes them approximately, I guess, 8 inches back. So if we look here, we can kind of see what we're working with. This one is about the right size. If we trying to keep the kitchen table from getting grease on it here, but so we can see if you kind of uncoil it, it's about the same length, but this one is definitely off. So here's where, even if you uncoil it, we still have a little bit more to go. So
and it's back outside for the last and final coat of paint on these things, so hopefully it'll look good. Woo, that's bright. All right, let's get back to painting. So we came to the parts store and actually found something really badass. .4BT rat rod. This thing is cool. Alright, so it's getting later. When I shot these originally, they didn't really wrinkle that well, so that made me a little bit sad, but Alfie basically gave me the suggestion to just do one more coat, not super heavy, like the can says, and then it should wrinkle up, so I just threw this coat on. Hopefully it'll wrinkle. If not, they still look good black, so it's not the end of the world. But tomorrow we'll have to put them on because it's just getting too cold and too late. So that'll be it for these guys, and then tomorrow we'll finish that install and I'll actually go through how to install them. Today was just paint, but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notifications when we do, or when I do post new videos up, and stay tuned. Here's some broken race cars. Bye, YouTube.